let's see if the Deal or No Deal game will work. Remember when we bought this in a pack of 3? We had 3 games, Tetris, this and Texas Hold'em, and the batteries were dead in this. So let's see if this is going to work. Whoa! It works! Deal or No Deal. How does it work though? I don't know how these games work. Let's get started. You see that, guys? So use the arrow keys to choose your briefcase. Then press enter. Okay, so which one am I going to choose? Oh, so these are the cases down at the bottom. Go to number 11. And I take it the 11, the $1 million dollars or 1 cent. I've got to go through it all. Looks a bit, what's that on there? There's a mark on it there. Round 1, open 6 briefcases. So how do you open them? Oh, so you can, okay, so you go to the, let's open 14. Contains $400. It doesn't show, oh yeah, there we go. It takes away the 15. $25,000. Let's go to 7. $200,000. I wish this was real. 25. Contains $75. 2 to go. Are you wondering, guys? If you've switched off already, then you'll never know. 90. What number do you think? 10. Contains $50. Oh, good win here. Nice picks. So let's go to the next one. Calculating. Bank offer. 34,000. Deal or no deal? What do you think? Deal or no deal? No deal. Open 5 cases. 12. Contains $5. 13. Contains $750,000. No. 24. No, I'm going to go for 22. Oh, that sounds like a lot of money. No. 21. Contains $750. One more. Let's go for case number 1. Contains 50,000. What's he going to offer now? 750,000 gone, and the game just started. So it calculates what its odds are, and then we get the bank offer. 31,000. It's going down, guys. Shall we go for a deal, and we'll cut the video short. Let's go for a deal and see what happens. Push deal to continue to play. Push no deal to see results and end game. you made a deal for 31,000. So what did box number 11 contain? Your briefcase contained 300,000. No. Horrible deal. No.